Today, I'll show you how to delete all emails in Gmail on Mac or PC. If your Gmail inbox is full and you want to clear everything out, the good news is that Gmail gives you a way to delete large numbers of emails at once from a computer. Google says that on desktop, you can open a category like Inbox, Promotions, or All Mail, select the messages on the page, and then choose the option to select all conversations in that view before deleting them. To begin, open Gmail in a web browser on your Mac or PC and sign in to the account you want to clean up. Then decide what you want to delete. You can do this from Inbox if you want to remove inbox emails, from Promotions if you want to clear promotional messages, or from All Mail if you want to target almost everything in the account. Google's help shows these as common places where you can bulk select messages. Next, look at the checkbox near the top left above your email list and click it. That selects the messages currently shown on the page. After that, Gmail usually shows a message saying all conversations on that page are selected, along with a link to select all conversations in the current view. Click that link if you want to include everything, not just the first page of emails. Then click the Delete button. Google specifically says, this is how to select all conversations in Inbox or another category and delete them in bulk. Now here's something important to remember. Deleting emails this way usually sends them to trash first. That means they are not permanently gone yet. If you want to remove them completely, open the left sidebar, click More, then open Trash. From there, you can click Empty Trash Now to permanently delete everything in trash. Google says messages in trash can also be removed individually with Delete Forever, but Empty Trash Now is the faster option if you want to wipe the folder completely. If you only want to delete certain types of emails instead of everything, Gmail also lets you search first and then bulk delete the results. Google says you can search by sender, date range, keywords, or attachments, then use the same select all method on the search results. That can be a much safer option if you want to keep important mail and only remove old, large, or unwanted messages. And that's how to delete all emails in Gmail on Mac or PC. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.